So question asayenza namhlanje question 4. Sikwenza question 4 manje na ezi questions ngaphambili, question 3, question 2, question 1 sedibenzile ngaphambili. Ungathini ngokuthi ukwazi ukubukela ivideo zabo ngokuthi ngoklicka le elicard ezophuma ku-top right corner. Understand? Top right corner there's a card ezophuma phana, cofa phana to see enye yezi videos guys before ufike question 4. Yabo. So uthini question 4 masijongane nayo. Uthi mana in the figure P, which is 12 and 5, is a point as indicated. Yabo. The reflex x or P is theta. Right. The reflex angle x or P is equals to what? Theta. Right. So ithini lento? Ithi lento bana sinikwe diagram apha yethu inoni Cartesian plane. Alright, and then we have our y, our x. Alright, so lento sinikwe ntoni? Sinikwe i-points eziku-Cartesian plane guys, sinikwe i-points eziku-Cartesian plane. Alright, make ngiqale lento kuqala because you need to understand basikuyiphi quadrant kuqala. Yabo. So sikwi-fourth quadrant, sikwi-fourth quadrant nje na sinikwe ntoni? Sinikwe ii-points zethu, i-coordinates zethu zikaphi. Right. Xa ngaba sidrawa ntoni? Sidrawa i-right angle, i-right angle triangle yethu, that is what? That is perpendicular to inoni? To x-axis yethu. Yabo. If bana sidrawa i-line perpendicular, i-vertical line perpendicular x-axis yethu, sizafumana into emele kwahlobo. Right. And then ithi lento ithi up, which is ngu-12. Right. Xa up ngu-12 ithetha ngantoni? Ithetha ngantoni? Nge-x values. Yabo. Because intoni? The first coordinate kwintoni? Kwi-coordinate representation ngubani? Ngo-x. Yabo. So this is 12, which means lo x, and then lo minus 5 ngubani? Ngo-y. So the minus 5 ngubani? Ngo-y guys. Yabo. So ithini into yakhona? Ithi into yobana khona determine the value of the following 4.1 tan theta. Right. So for us to find 4.1 tan theta. Right. And also as questions guys, to be able to find tan theta no sin theta, funeka ukuthi make sure that bana une right angle triangle. Make sure you have what? You have a right angle triangle yakho. Yabo. So u-tan theta ngubani? Izaba ngu opposite. It's gonna be opposite over adjacent side, which means it's gonna be minus 5 over 12. It's gonna be minus 5 over 12. Right. Lola nje njalo bakithi, lola nje njalo. So u-4.2 yena uthini? U-4.2 yena uthi funeka sikhangele u-sin theta. Right. U-sin theta funeka simkhangele ngokuthini? Ngokuthi qala si-understand ubana ingaba i-hypotenuse side, longest side yethu ngubani. Right. I-longest side yethu singayifumana nge-two ways qala. Right. Singayifumana the first way, indlela yokuqala singayifumana ngayintoni? Using what? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Right. Which means longest side u-p wethu. Right. Singayifumana hypotenuse yethu, which is longest side, which is lo op, ngokuthini? Ngokusebenzisa i-distance formula. Right. Because noni sinazo i-coordinates of 2 points, we know that by the origin it's 0, 0. Right. And also we know that indoni, we know that i-value ka-p ngubani? It's 12 and what? And minus 5. So using i-distance formula ungakwazi ufumana ntoni i-value kaphi. Easy guys, easy. But since ngoku sifuna into quick easier, so just gonna use what? Just gonna use Pythagoras. Sisebenza nje Pythagoras guys easily. Yeah. So Pythagoras says r squared is equals to what? X squared plus y squared. Alright. So r squared is equals to what? It's equals to 12 squared plus minus 5 squared, which is r squared is about 144 plus bani plus 25. Yabo, don't yenza ukuthi ibe ngibani, ibe ngu-169 answer, because 20 plus 40 it's 16, 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5 is 9. Right, so r squared wethu ku-169. So but thina sifuna ntoni? Sifuna i-value ka-r, not i-value ka-r squared. So squaresha ntoni? I-left hand side, and then squaresha na-right hand side. So i-value ka-r ngibani? Ku-13 units. Right, so r wethu semfumene ngibani bangu-13 units. So ngibani r wethu? 13 guys. Right, so masibele question yethu. The question yethu, we should find what? Or sine theta 4.2 sine theta. Right, so siyayazi guys, or sine theta ngibani? Opposite, it's opposite over or hypotenuse. So izaba ngibani? Izaba minus 5 over 13. So answer it ngibani? Minus 5 over 13. So 4.3. U-4.3 uthini na? Uthi 10 theta minus 13 cos theta ne? It's 13 cos theta. Right, so let's get back to questions here guys. What specifically question answer kabani ka 10 theta yaba ngibani? Go minus 5 over 12. Right, so now sakuthini? Sakuthi minus 5 over 12 minus 13, and then cos ngibani? Bese cos theta sesabkhangela, and then cos theta ngibani? Let's check. Cos theta isaba adjacent over hypotenuse, which means 12 over 13. So cos theta ngibani? 12 over 13. Right, so as class multipliers as a cancellation, because minus 13 times 12 over 13, and then 13 in numerator upper and then denominator upper, and then operation sign multiplication, ngakwazi cancellation only in numerator and denominator. Alright, then uzosheka nabani? Uzosheka no minus 5 over 12 minus what? Minus 12. Right, so minus 5 over 12 uzo multiply bani? Uzothini? 12 mane lowest common denominator yethu uzothini? 12 multiply bani? Multiply the numerator. Right, because this is what? This is 12 over 1. Right, so because common denominator, so multiply ngabani? Ngalo 12 the numerator. So it's gonna be what? It's gonna be minus 5 minus 12 times 12 over what? over u12. So it's about minus 5 minus 144 over u12, which is minus 149 over 12, guys. Minus 149 over 12. So guys, this is our answer. This is our answer, guys. So guys, if umzekelo ngumuntu onombuzo malunga nale topic, unga-comment it down below, and also guys, unganceda ngokuthini, ngokusubscribe kule channel.